Hi everyone, it's Irena, and today we're going to be making a beautiful dessert in the Magimix Blender. Yes, and the Magimix Blender is such high good quality with a beautiful glass bowl which is very, very strong and powerful, and the motor is very powerful, and so it will be able to do lots of different jobs for you. So just to tell you a little bit about it, when you bring it home, you'll find that there's an instruction booklet. These booklets are really worth reading because there's so much good information. But just to go with it for you, you've got here different dials. Now, normally you'll have an on and off dial with blenders, but this one has cleaning, ice, smoothies, soups and desserts, as well as having your own control. You've got a control of how strong and powerful you want it to be. So that's really good. Today we're making the dessert, and we're making it out of the booklet that comes with it. Now, once I had a look at this booklet, I think I'd just buy it for the booklet. The booklet's fantastic. It's got so many terrific recipes in it, but not only that, it gives you information about nutrition and minerals and fibres and what sort of nutrients are in different vegetables and fruit. Oh look, it just goes on. It tells you about superfoods and which ones to use. So you know whether you're making a smoothie or a dessert or a soup or whatever you're making with your blender. There's so many ideas here, you'll never run out, but also that information, because most people have a blender because they're interested in cooking, or rather making food that's healthy for themselves in a really short time. So yeah, so lots of great recipes, and today we're going to go page 62 and we're going to do the berry ice cream. So now the first thing you need to know is that it's actually built with a lot of strength. As I said, you've got the little spatula here that actually helps to scrape things down, so you can scrape them down like that. And that spatula also has a cap, which is a cup. So that's terrific, and of course all the measurements are on the side, so it's pretty groovy. So we're going to open it. Now the lid is very, very strongly attached, okay, and that's so that food doesn't go flying everywhere. So yes, it is very strong to put on and off. So in here right now we're going to put in some frozen berries, okay, some frozen berries. We've got some sugar. We've got 1 egg white, goes in there like that, and some cream. So it's up to you which cream you like, but there it is, and that's the cream that I just use full cream when I use cream. So, but that's really entirely up to you. So that's the cream. So yep. So you pop it all in, you close it. Now it's beneficial to put that little lip there, okay, that tab, next to the handle. I'll put it on this side so you can see that handle? I'm going to pop it over here. So it's beneficial to put that on. And now pop it down nice and strong like that. Pop it in like that. And the recipe actually tells you exactly what to do, which is really good. So we're going to pop it onto dessert. And it says to leave it on dessert for 1 minute. So we're going to just turn it on. There it goes. Now, I'm just putting it on dessert, but if you wanted it to be really smooth, I don't want mine to be very smooth, you can put it on, speed 3, and that would make it really smooth. And you can see that you can barely hear it. It's really good. It's very quiet. The Magimix products are very quiet. They're built for that. There it is, all going there. You just need to push any of those vegetables in, or fruit. You just push it in like that. Beautiful. Okay, just turned it off there like that. Beautiful. And again, just opening like that. It is a bit stiff, but that's meant to be like that. And there is your beautiful dessert. So I'm just going to pop it into here. Now, as I said, if you want it really smooth, you can just put it on speed 3 for, another couple of minutes or a minute. Not very long. And there It's a beautiful ice cream dessert. Look at that. Yum, yum. Look at that. Just beautiful. Now, why would you buy ice cream that has all preservatives and additives and all kinds of things if you can make your own that doesn't have any of it? And you can have whatever you've got. You know, if you have a look in the fridge and go, I've got a spare mango, throw the mango in. If you've got a tin of peaches, use tin peaches. Do whatever you like, but you can actually make it at home without any of the preservatives or additives. And as I said, read this book. I think it's just an absolute whiz at giving you lots of nutritional information. All right, I'm going to give this a go. Oh, yum. That's absolutely delicious. And look how smooth and beautiful it is. Lovely. Okay, I hope you give it a go. The blender works like a treat. I love it. See ya.